Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Reina Maste. Well, my name is Lorena, but my YouTube channel is called Reina Maste. And today I have a requested video, and it's how to play the ukulele and how you can learn the ukulele. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is get a ukulele. This one I got at Guitar Center for about $49 maybe, but I know there's cheaper ones on Amazon for like $20. They're just a little bit smaller. So before we get started, I wanted to teach you guys a little bit about the instrument that you're holding, because it is really important to get to know your ukulele. As well, when you're learning songs, people are going to be referring to certain things on your ukulele, and that way you'll know what it's called and what all the chords are called and all that stuff, okay? So your ukulele should have frets, and the frets are these spaces right here. So this is the first fret. This is the second fret. This is the third fret, and it goes all the way down to these tiny little ones. But we're going to be focusing on these right here, on like the first 5 maybe, because you can like play ukulele all the way over here, but it's more of like finger picking and more advanced stuff, so we're just beginners. So we're going to be playing only over here. And your ukulele should sound like that. Oops. These over here are the ones that are connected to the strings, and this is how you tune your ukulele. If you don't know how to tune your ukulele, there's videos on how to do it online. I personally don't know how to tune it by ear, but I use an app called GUITARTUNA that I downloaded on the App Store. It tells you how your strings should be sounding like, and it matches. It tells you like if it's green, it tells you that it's where it's supposed to be, and if it's red, it tells you that you need to tune it a little more, or loosen it up a little bit more. So to the left is to tighten it up, and then to the right, to twist it to the right, is to loosen your string up a little bit more. We are going to be learning a really easy song the first song that I ever learned was Riptide by VANCE. If you don't know that song, go look it up. It's a really it's a ukulele song already, so it's very easy, only has 3 chords. I'm going to do this by parts so that we can all learn together. I'm going to do 3 parts. The first part, which we're going to be learning today, you're going to be learning the intro, the first, and then if you learn how to play this verse 1, you're going to be able to learn to play the verse 2 of this song. So let's just get right into it, and I'll show you right now I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to be using, okay? So we're going to be using the A minor, okay? The A minor, you're going to take your middle finger. Oh my god, I didn't mean to flick you guys off. You're going to be taking your middle finger, and you're going to be positioning it on the 4th string. So this is the 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, okay? You're going to be positioning their middle finger on the 4th string, press it down on the 2nd fret, okay? And then just strum it. And then I need to get closer. I have a weird setup right now, okay? So middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, okay? That is your A minor. Now, from that note, you're going to go to your G chord. Your G chord is you're going to need these 3 fingers right here. You're going to take your index finger, position it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay, so it's going to look like that. Just like that. And now we're gonna be learning the C chord. The C chord is just gonna take your ring finger and position it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Super easy chords. The best way to learn how to transition from each chord to chord is to just strum down. And it's just a way for you to get muscle memory on where your fingers are gonna naturally position to. But make sure you're pressing all the way down, because if it sounds like that, that means you're not pressing this one of the strings down or all of them down. Make sure you're pressing them down, okay? At first your fingers are gonna hurt, but then sooner or later they're gonna start to almost kind of roughen up a little bit, and that's kind of like it's kind of gonna protect your skin almost. Like, it's not gonna hurt as much once you start growing like these calluses almost. I mean, they're not calluses or anything like that. It's not ugly or anything, because people don't ever notice like my fingers, like anything like that. But it is gonna feel hard right here, and that's okay. It's natural, okay? It's just a way of your body protecting itself from pain. So that is all the chords you're gonna be using. Those are also gonna be the chord progressions that you're gonna use for this song, okay? It's always gonna be A minor, G, C. It's always gonna be in that order throughout the whole song. If you want to practice that for a little bit, pause the video if you want, come back to it if you want. But we're going to be moving to the strumming pattern. Okay, the strumming pattern is very easy. It's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, up. But I think it's better if I just teach you. Like, why am I even doing that? And the strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's going to be once on A minor, once on G, and then twice on C. So we can take it really slow for you guys. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I downloaded this sheet off of Google, I believe. But basically, it tells you when you're gonna be switching, like on what, sorry, I'm trying to make sure. I thought it was upside down for a second. This is probably gonna be, like backwards to you, I'm sorry, but, this is like, I was scared, that's like the intro. I was scared of dentists in the dark. So it tells you when, like it tells you A minor, I, that's the first, note. Then it tells you like when, what word you're gonna be switching to the next chord on dentist, and then on what other word you're gonna be switching to the C on dark. So it is a good way to download this, so that way you can know like, oh, when am I supposed to switch from chord to chord? Because a lot of times we don't. We need to take it slow, and that's okay. So play along with me if you want. It's okay if it doesn't sound okay. Just try to like listen to the strumming pattern. The way that I learned wasn't by like looking at the strumming pattern. It was more by listening and following along to another person strumming it, because then I'd kind of match up to what it sounds like. So it was much easier for me to learn that way. But of course, we all learn differently, so it's just up to you. Figure out how you learn best and go by it, okay? So again, A minor, G, and C, all right? I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All of my friends are turning green. You're the magician assistants in their dreams. Alright, and that is all we're going to be learning for this part 1 of the video. The second part, I'm going to be teaching you guys the pre-chorus and the chorus, okay? And it's really easy. I have a different option of strumming pattern that I do for the chorus, but you don't have to do that one, but I'll teach it to you just in case. But you can do this, you can use this strumming pattern throughout the whole song, and it will sound find, I promise. But practice, remember, practice. Remember that you're only a beginner, and it's okay if you mess up, and it's okay for you to keep going back. Stay tuned for part 2. That's coming up next week. That way you have a whole week to practice this, and I'll see you guys. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yes. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!